Good afternoon, class. So, this is your SST class. So, on Saturday, we read about the short introduction of plains, desert, and islands. Okay? So, I hope you know about this, what are plains, what are deserts, and what are islands. Okay? So, today we will complete the one topic, plains, about plains. What are plains? Okay? So, listen to me very, very carefully. So, the first topic is northern plains. Okay, the northern plains refers, firstly you should know that where are northern plains located. So here, near the border of Nepal. Now Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, okay, Bihar. So this is a northern plains. Okay, how many rivers located here? Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, okay, Satluj, Brahmaputra. Now come to the downside. This is a coastal area, okay, and also we known as peninsular. Okay, peninsular plateau means when three sides covered with water. Okay, so this is a northern plain. Come to the eastern side. This is the eastern coastal plains. Come to the left. This is the western coastal plains. Okay, now so come to the topic, the northern plains. The northern plains refer to the large flat region at the foothills of the Himalayas, stretching from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. जो northern plains हैं वो क्या रिफर्स करते हैं? टू द लार्ज फ्लैट रीजन, मतलब बहुत फ्लैट, बहुत ही लार्ज नंबर में, बहुत ही लार्ज एरिया में आपका फ्लैट एरिया होता है. ठीक है, और जो कहाँ से होते हुए निकलता है? फुट हिल्स ऑफ, कहाँ से होते हुए आता है ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स? हिमालय से. ओके, नाउ कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? पंजाब in the west to Assam in the east. ठीक है, these plains line the path of rivers originated in the Himalayas. यहाँ पे वो यहाँ से वो rivers निकलती हैं जो originated होती हैं हिमालय से. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली वहाँ से आती हैं. Now the rivers carry soil. वो rivers अपने साथ क्या क्या कैरी करती हैं? Soils, small pieces of rocks and silt and deposit. Silt means a clay type of soil. Okay, now and deposit them in the plains. Okay, directly silt में जो clay होती है जो running water से होके आती है. ठीक है, जैसे rivers हैं वो क्या होती हैं? वो still नहीं होती हैं, rivers are running. Okay, तो जो running water के साथ clay आती है that is called silt. Okay, तो ये सारी चीज़ें डिपॉजिट होती हैं them in the plains area. Okay, जिसको वो fertile बनाती हैं plains को. The fine soil or silt deposited in the plains is called alluvium. Okay, now which is very fertile and good for growing various crops. जो बहुत fertile होती है और growing crops के लिए बहुत ही क्या होती है? beneficial होती है. The flat surface of the northern plains and availability of enough water have also helped in the setting up or big industries in these regions. अच्छा, यहाँ पे water का कोई lacking नहीं होती है, यहाँ पे enough water होता है. only because of that यहाँ पे water प्रोवाइड होता है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्या होती हैं? सेटल्ड हैं बहुत सारी रीजन्स में. ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न अस लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सिटीज़, इसलिए यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज़ इस्टेब्लिश्ड हैं. ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सिटीज़, टाउन्स एंड विलेजेस हैव डेवलप्ड अलॉन्ग द बैंक ऑफ रिवर फ्लोइंग थ्रू द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. ओके, इसलिए उस रिवर के पास क्या है? बहुत सारी सिटीज़ क्या हैं? सिचुएटेड हैं. लुक एट दिस, गंगा यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे गंगा. एंड हियर पंजाब, उत्तर प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल, बिहार, दीज ऑल बिग इंडस्ट्रियल states are located. Okay, so come to down so Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal are some states that are located in the northern plains. Some parts of Assam and Tripura also lie in the northern plains. Okay, Assam and Tripura. Now come to the next topic, next page. Life in the northern plains. कैसी life होती है northern plains में? Let's see, let's focus on the table. Firstly read about the states: Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar, Assam and Tripura. So we will read in this flow chart, in this table, important cities located in or situated in this state. They grow, what they make and what they celebrate. In Haryana, the important cities are, in Haryana and Punjab, Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Amritsar and Gurugram. What they grow: wheat, rice, sugarcane, millet and oil seeds. Okay. What they make: automobiles, textile, dairies, farming. This what they celebrate: Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali and Lohri. In Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar, the main cities are Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra, Kolkata and Patna, because they are the industrial cities. Okay. What they grow: mainly rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute. What they make: leather, jute, iron and steel. What they celebrate: Durga Puja, Chhat Puja and Dashera and Eid. Assam and Tripura. The main cities in Assam and Tripura are Guwahati, Dispur and Agartala. What they grow: mainly rice, tea and jute, bamboo. What they make: tea, silk, oil, refinery. They celebrate Bihu, Kharchi and Puja. So what are the importance of northern plains? Firstly, look at the picture. The plains grow mainly crops, okay, from which we can take a food, okay, for surviving. So the northern plains are very important for our country. The northern plains, the first point is the northern plains are called the granary of India. Granary of India means जहाँ पे हम यहाँ सोने की चिड़िया जिसे क्यों कहा जाता था हमारे देश को, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मेनली क्या होता है, क्रॉप्स को ग्रो किया जाता है वहाँ की फ्लैट लैंड्स पे, ओके, इसीलिए अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रेन्स सच एज वीट. यहाँ पे ग्रेन्स होते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा, जैसे कि वीट है, पल्सेस हैं, मिल्स हैं, millets and rice are grown here. The flat surface of the plains has helped in the development of a good roadways and a railway system. Okay, and we are living also on a flat area. This okay, Uttar Pradesh. We are living in Uttar Pradesh. So तो जो फ्लैट एरियाज़ होते हैं वहाँ पे बहुत ईजी हो जाता है रोडवेज़ की रोड्स बनाना, डेवलपमेंट होना उसका, और रेलवेज़ का बनाना. ठीक है. थर्ड पॉइंट, देयर आर मैनी इंडस्ट्रीज सच एज आयरन एंड स्टील, सीमेंट, शुगर एंड जूट इन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. कौन कौन सी मेन इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं? आयरन, स्टील, सीमेंट, शुगर एंड जूट. ओके, लर्न इट. द फोर्थ नंबर पॉइंट, देर आर सम इम्पॉर्टेंट डैम्स. यहाँ पे डैम्स भी बनाए गए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको एज यू रेड दैट बहुत सारी रिवर्स जो हैं ओरिजिनेटेड हैं फ्रॉम हिमालयाज़. तो यहाँ पे उन रिवर्स का फ्लो क्या रहे, स्टेबल रहे, उसके लिए यहाँ पे डैम्स बनाए गए हैं. ठीक है. Now the major rivers of the northern plains, for example, Bhakra Nagar Dam. This is a very famous dam, Bhakra Nagar Dam on the river of कहाँ पे बना हुआ है वो? सतलज. सतलज that provides electricity, जो हमें क्या प्रोवाइड कराती है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी and water for irrigation to the farms. Now look at greenery means भी दे रखा है यहाँ पे, building where grains is stored. Okay. Now the city of Kolkata lies in the northern plains. Okay, as you can see here, the Satluj located near the borderline of Pakistan, near the Punjab, Haryana. Okay. Now the next topic is, as you can see in the picture, look at this: upside north, back down side, bottom side south, your right side east and your left side west. Okay. Now this green area is called the northern plains. Now river basins of the northern plains. The northern plains consist of 3 basins named after the 3 major rivers. ये जो northern plains है वहाँ पे 3 main rivers क्या करती हैं, run करती हैं. The 3 main rivers running from the Himalayas. These are the originated from Himalayas: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin and the Satluj basin. The area through which a river and its tributaries flow is called the basin of that river. The Ganga basin is the most densely populated region of the northern plains. What is the meaning of densely populated? Means the population of that area. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया में वहाँ पे क्या है, population है. Now come to the down. The topic is the 3 big rivers, the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, flow through the northern plains and provide water to this region. वो कहाँ से फ्लो करती है? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन से, ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, ओके। यहाँ से आती है द सतलज, द ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड द गंगा, ओके। एज यू कैन सी द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर इज लोकेटेड इन आसाम, द सतलज रिवर फ्लोइंग थ्रू द हिमाचल प्रदेश फ्रॉम हियर, ओके। सो this was the topic of northern plains. Tomorrow we will learn about the desert, the next topic, okay. I hope you all understand this. Please read in your home, okay, again, and understand the meaning word by word, okay, so that you can learn it easily. Fine. So that's all for today. Good day, have a nice day.